Welcome to Airbus Tutorials. Quick dispatch in AirnavX A320 family. When a failure occurs on aircraft, the operator needs to quickly identify if aircraft can be dispatched in safe conditions. Quick dispatch function in AirnavX offers the maintainer a quick solution to display the system reset procedures when available, in the case of ECAM alerts and system malfunctions. So how to use the quick dispatch function? In the context menu, select as applicable the customization, the aircraft type and the MSN. Let's go to the troubleshooting menu. In the type field, select the fault type. The quick dispatch function is available only when you select the fault type, ECAM alert, local effect or crew maintenance observation. In the description field, start typing the title of the alert as it appears on the ECAM, or a description of the system malfunction. When the description appears in the rolling menu, select it. When the quick dispatch label comes on in blue, click on it to see if a specific system reset is available in relation to this fault. A tab appears with the conditions in which the reset procedure can be applied, and the system reset procedure steps. Safe, quick, efficient. Thank you for watching. See you soon in Airbus Tutorials.